Luca, and my story is called Mochis of Love. March 3rd is one of my favorite days of the year. This day was Girls' Day, which meant one delicious treat, mochi. This was a Girls' Day tradition, and after many years of my mother making it, I've already learned the ingredients from watching her. I observed her mixing in rice flour, sugar, coconut milk, potato starch, vanilla, lots of food coloring, and most importantly, love, all in the same bowl. As I grew older, I went from taste testing the mochi to actually helping make it. As I watched my mom spread the thick batter onto the tray, I could already taste the powdery, sweet, sticky mochi melting on my tongue. The warm mochi straight from the oven soothed my soul with a comforting aroma that could only be felt by smelling the sweet delicacy. My mom sliced the giant blob into perfect cubes and discarded the overcooked edge pieces to the side for me to happily enjoy. She delicately tosses them in potato starch, then wraps them in parchment paper into perfect little bows that resemble the way candies are packaged. Many times my mom is not satisfied with them. She says they're either overcooked or not sweet enough, but I think they're perfect. Always just the right sweetness so it's still a treat but not overpowering, and the most luxurious texture that feels like a pillow on your tongue. As I grew older, I started to appreciate mochi, not just because it tasted good, but because it represented my Japanese heritage. When I was younger, I brought them to school filled with pride, knowing everyone would love them and ask for more, which they did. But now, I still bring them with pride because I get to share a piece of my identity with others. What makes the mochis even more magical is that they almost represent a family. Its stickiness representing our family's closeness. Its sweetness representing the love and sweetness of our family. And lastly, it helps us remember that we are all still family and that we came from the same batter.
My name is Clover, and this is Chicken Noodle Halloween. In my family, we eat many different foods that are important to us.